Want to pull the fire alarm with me?
Good idea, Jacob Williamson.
Well, yeah, it will pull in 3, 2, 1. Quick, let's get out of here.
Jacob Williamson, Carlos Maloney, Sid Phillips and Stephen Quire.
How dare you pull the fire alarm?
You know you can get arrested for fake emergencies.
That's it. You're grounded. Go to your room now.
Fuck. They never learn.
Man, being grounded sucks.
Hey, let's scare high five with a scary Winnie the Pooh ending.
Yes!
Good idea, Jacob Williamson. Okay, let's name ourselves unknown user.
Hey, high five. Let's play Mario Party on the Switch.
Great idea, Nathan. Hey, what's this?
From a unknown user, let's check it out.
Scared are you? Take that high five.
Oh my god. It was Jacob Williamson and his friends who sent us the video.
Also, you're grounded from your laptop. Go to bed and no laptop until summer's over.